Hey guys, welcome to or back to my channel. As you can tell by the title, today's video is a recipe on how to make fish rolls. I just hit 200 followers on Instagram. Thank you for everyone who followed, but if you haven't, then follow me and also like, subscribe and hit the notification bell. S'il vous plaît, cliquez sur le bouton d'abonnement et la cloche de notification. Suivez mon Instagram et Facebook. Let's get on with the video. These fish rolls are great as bite-sized snacks, fancy canapes, or party starters. Starting with the dough, take a sieve and put 2 cups or 250 grams of flour, half a teaspoon of baking powder, a quarter teaspoon of salt, and 1 tablespoon of sugar. After, add 4 tablespoons or 60 grams of butter and mix till it becomes breadcrumbs. You can do it with your hands or with a spoon. Finally, mix in 110 milliliters or 3/4 cup of milk. Move the dough onto a mat or a clean surface and knead for 2 to 3 minutes. Put it back in the bowl and cover with cling film. Leave to rest until you need it. On a medium to low heat, add a tablespoon of oil to a saucepan and saute half an onion with a quarter teaspoon of curry powder and thyme, a pinch of stock cube and a pinch of garlic powder. Then put your tomato-based sardine inside and mash it up. If you don't have a tomato-based tin, add 1 tablespoon of tinned tomato. When it's mashed, it's done. To create your rolls, split your dough in half and roll it out as thin as possible. This is important because when you roll it together, it becomes thick anyways. Cut the dough into pizza slices. Spoon the sardine mix at the end of the wide triangle. The right way to roll it: 1. Brush the tip with water. And 2. On the other end, start to roll the dough whilst tightening it by tucking excess underneath. This is what one looks like. They're typically bigger, but this channel is about petites, so I make everything petite. This is the time you can preheat your oil. Now they're ready to fry. Once your oil is hot, fry your rolls until golden brown. Don't overfill your pan or they'll just go soggy. They're done. They should be golden and together, like not falling apart. When opened, you can see it has cooked really nicely and you get every bit of the filling. It's definitely a recipe worth trying. Before we get to the end of the video, I just want to let you know that if you need a cake, cupcakes or party food, I do orders and I'm free to everyone in London. You can contact me with any of the info on the screen. Thanks for watching. Before you go, please like, subscribe, watch my other videos, and share with family, friends, everyone. Let's try and get to 150 subscribers as soon as possible. Bye!